A utility transformer found dislodged under a truck is an extremely dangerous situation. The primary voltage of such a transformer, in this case 7,200 volts, presents a significant risk of serious injury or even death to anyone who comes into contact with it. The orange barricade, intended to keep people away from the danger zone, unfortunately proved ineffective in preventing the incident or subsequent exposure. This event emphasizes the paramount importance of strictly adhering to safety protocols and utilizing appropriate equipment when working with or around high-voltage electricity. First, consider the nature of a utility transformer. These transformers are designed to step down high-voltage electricity from the power grid to lower, more usable voltages for homes and businesses, typically 120 volts or 240 volts. The primary side of the transformer, connected to the high-voltage grid, operates at thousands of volts, such as the 7,200 volts mentioned. Such high voltages can easily cause electrocution, severe burns, and other life-threatening injuries. Secondly, it's essential to understand the function of safety barricades. Orange barricades, safety cones, and caution tape are used to delineate hazardous areas and prevent unauthorized access. These measures are intended to provide a visual warning and physical barrier, keeping people at a safe distance from potential dangers. However, as demonstrated in this incident, barricades are not foolproof and should not be solely relied upon for safety. Thirdly, proper safety protocols are crucial in preventing electrical accidents. These protocols include de-energizing equipment before working on it, using insulated tools and equipment, wearing appropriate personal protective equipment such as rubber gloves and insulated footwear, maintaining safe distances from energized conductors, and providing adequate training to personnel working with electricity. Fourthly, working with electricity mandates the use of proper equipment. This equipment includes voltage detectors to verify that circuits are de-energized, grounding equipment to provide a safe path for fault currents, and insulated tools to prevent accidental contact with energized conductors. Regular inspection and maintenance of equipment are essential to ensure its proper functioning and safety. Fifthly, the specific hazards associated with a dislodged transformer warrant careful consideration. A damaged transformer may leak oil, which is a potential environmental hazard and fire risk. The internal components of the transformer may also be exposed, presenting a risk of electrical shock. It's crucial to immediately cordon off the area and contact the utility company to handle the situation safely. Sixthly, electrical safety training is vital for all personnel who work with or around electricity. This training should cover topics such as electrical hazards, safety protocols, proper use of equipment, and emergency procedures. Regular refresher training is also important to reinforce safety knowledge and practices. Seventhly, regular inspections of electrical equipment and infrastructure are essential to identify potential hazards and prevent accidents. These inspections should include checking for damaged equipment, loose connections, and other signs of wear and tear. Any identified issue should be promptly addressed to ensure safety. Eighthly, the importance of following lockout/tagout procedures cannot be overstated. Lockout/tagout procedures are designed to prevent accidental energization of equipment during maintenance or repair work. These procedures involve disconnecting the equipment from its power source, locking out the circuit breaker or disconnect switch, and tagging the equipment to indicate that it is out of service. Ninthly, emergency response plans should be in place to address electrical accidents. These plans should include procedures for contacting emergency services, providing first aid to injured personnel, and securing the area to prevent further accidents. All personnel should be familiar with the emergency response plan and know how to implement it. Tenthly, adhering to relevant electrical codes and standards is essential for ensuring safety. These codes and standards, such as the National Electrical Code 70, provide detailed requirements for electrical installations, equipment, and safety practices. Compliance with these codes and standards helps to minimize the risk of electrical accidents. 11thly, it is important to remember that electricity can be unforgiving. Even a momentary lapse in judgment or a minor oversight can have serious consequences. It's crucial to remain vigilant, follow safety protocols, and prioritize safety in all electrical work. The fact that the transformer's high voltage of 7,200 volts could have resulted in severe harm cannot be stressed enough. Safety measures such as orange barricades are designed to provide a visual and physical barrier, but they are not a substitute for vigilance and adherence to safety protocols. The incident serves as a stark reminder of the potential dangers associated with electricity and the importance of taking all necessary precautions to prevent accidents. This event also underscores the need for regular maintenance and inspection of electrical equipment to identify and address potential hazards before they lead to accidents. Furthermore, it highlights the importance of training personnel to recognize and respond to electrical hazards. Finally, it serves as a call to action for all those involved in the electrical industry to prioritize safety and work diligently to prevent future accidents. The lessons learned from this incident should be shared widely to promote a culture of safety and prevent similar incidents from occurring in the future. Remember, electricity is a powerful force that demands respect and caution. By following safety protocols, using proper equipment, and staying vigilant, we can minimize the risk of electrical accidents and ensure the safety of ourselves and others.